In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatic sample submission in Microsoft Defender. If you use Windows Security, turning on automatic sample submission helps Microsoft Defender respond faster to new and evolving threats. When a file on your device looks suspicious, Defender can automatically send a safe copy to Microsoft for deeper analysis. In return, you benefit from updated protections that help block similar threats in the future. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply. First, open Windows Security. The quickest way is to press the Start button, type Windows Security into the search bar, and open the app that appears. This is your central dashboard for antivirus, firewall, and device security features built into Windows. Inside Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection. You'll recognize it by the shield icon. This area contains your antivirus settings and recent protection history. Now, scroll down to the section called Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. This opens the detailed controls for real-time protection, cloud-based protection, and the option we're focusing on today. Look for Automatic Sample Submission and switch it to On. That's it. Once enabled, Defender is allowed to automatically send suspicious files to Microsoft so they can be analyzed by advanced cloud systems. This doesn't mean every file is uploaded. In many cases, you'll be notified before larger or uncommon files are sent, and you can choose how to proceed. The goal is to help identify threats quickly, without interrupting your work. While you're on this page, it's a good idea to ensure cloud-delivered protection is also turned on. These two features work hand in hand. Cloud protection identifies and blocks the newest threats faster, and sample submission provides the evidence needed to improve detection for everyone. If it's already on, you're in great shape. A few quick tips. If you don't see the toggle or it's grayed out, your device may be managed by your organization, and those settings could be controlled by your IT admin. If you're using a personal PC and prefer more control, remember you can turn sample submission off at any time using the same switch. And for the feature to work effectively, keep your device online and allow Windows to install security updates regularly. To wrap up, you opened Windows Security, went to Virus and Threat Protection, managed your settings, and turned on automatic sample submission. With that, your PC is better equipped to detect and stop new threats quickly and quietly in the background. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.